Organizing and decluttering can be made easier by following some effective strategies and approaches. Here are some tips to make the process of organizing and decluttering more manageable. Number 1. Set clear goals. Begin by defining your goals and envisioning the outcomes you desire. Having a clear vision of how you want to space to look and function will motivate you throughout the organizing and decluttering process. Number 2. Start small. Tackling the entire space all at once can be overwhelming. Instead, break the task into smaller, manageable chunks. Begin with a specific area or category such as closet, a desk, or a kitchen cabinet and gradually move to other areas. Number 3. Sort and categorize. Create categories for your belongings to help you make decisions more efficiently. Sort items into categories such as keep, donate, sell, or discard. This will help you prioritize and determine what items are truly important to you. Number 4. Declutter with purpose. When deciding what to keep or let go of, consider the purpose and value of each item. Ask yourself if it serves a practical function or brings you joy. If an item is no longer useful or doesn't align with your current needs or lifestyle, it might be time to let it go. Number 5. Create an organizing system. Establish a system that works for you and helps maintain order. Use storage containers, labels, and dividers to keep items organized and easily accessible. Having designated places for your belongings will make it easier to find and put things away. Number 6. One in, one out rule. Implement a one in, one out rule to prevent clutter from accumulating again. For every new item you bring into your space, remove an existing item. This helps maintain a balance and prevents overcrowding. Number 7. Time management. Allocate dedicated time for organizing and decluttering. Set aside specific blocks of time in your schedule and commit to them. Consistency and regularity are key to making process and maintaining an organized space. Number 8. Enlist help. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance for friends or family members. Having someone to support and motivate you can make the process more enjoyable and efficient. They can provide a fresh perspective and help you make decisions about certain items. Number 9. Focus on progress, not perfection. Remember that organizing and decluttering is a process and it may not be completed in a single day. Celebrate the progress you make along the way, even if it's a small step. Be patient with yourself and acknowledge that organizing is an ongoing effort. Number 10. Maintain systems. Once you have organized and decluttered your space, make a commitment to maintaining the system you have established. Regularly access your belongings and ensure everything has a designated place. Implementing simple daily habits such as tidying up before bed or completing quick organizing tasks regularly can help prevent clutter from accumulating again. But how are these tips helpful for our housewives? Here are some additional ways in which organizing and decluttering can be made easy for housewives. Number 1. Delegate responsibilities. Housewives can involve other family members in the organizing process by assigning specific tasks to each family member. This not only lightens the workload but also promotes a sense of shared responsibility and teamwork. Number 2. Create zones. Housewives can designate specific areas or zones with their homes for different purposes such as study area, relaxation corner, or storage space. By creating clearly defined zones, it becomes easier to organize and maintain a clutter-free environment. Number 3. Use time-saving tools and technologies. Housewives can leverage various tools and technologies to simplify their organizing tasks. This includes using labeling machines, storage bins with clear visibility, digital organizing app, and smart home devices that streamline household management. Number 4. Seek inspiration and guidance. Housewives can find inspiration and guidance from organizing experts, blogs, books, or online resources. Learning from others' experience and implementing proven organizing strategies can make the process feel more manageable and less daunting. Number 5. Make it enjoyable. Injecting creativity and enjoyment into the organizing process can make it more appealing for housewives. They can play their favorite music, involve their children in the fun, organizing games, or create aesthetically pleasing display to add a touch of joy to the task. Number 6. Establish routines. By incorporating organizing routines into their daily or weekly schedules, housewives can ensure that tidying up and decluttering become habitual. This prevents clutter from accumulating and make the process more effortless over time. Number 7. Donate and give back. Housewives can find joy in decluttering by donating unused or unwanted items to charitable organizations or those in need. Knowing that their decluttering efforts benefits others can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Take breaks. Organizing and decluttering can be physically and mentally demanding. Housewives should remember to take breaks when needed, allowing themselves time to rest and recharge. This helps maintain motivation and prevent burnout. Number 9. Celebrate achievements. Housewives should celebrate milestones and achievements along their organizing journey. This can be done by rewarding themselves with a small treat, sharing their progress with others, or acknowledge their efforts and success. Number 10. Practice gratitude. Housewives can cultivate a mindset of gratitude by appreciating the space they have, the items that bring them joy, and the opportunities to create an organized and harmonious home. Focusing on gratitude can shift their perspective and make the organizing process more fulfilling. So, this was it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my efforts. Good luck and stay safe.